Alright my friends, so in the last video we have created our index.js file, and now we are going to see the benefit of the app.js file. So before doing so, I'm just gonna open my extension. Okay, so let me open the extension here. I'm gonna show you all the enabled extension here. Okay, so the first thing first, these are the extension that I'm going to use to make writing React code much easier and much faster. So I highly encourage you to do the exact same thing with me. We have live server, which is for, let's say, HTML and CSS. It doesn't really matter if you have it or not. The things that I highly encourage you to have, it is, for example, this one right here, simple React snippets, as well as the auto import. These are very important stuff. Okay, the auto import as well as simple React snippet. We have prettier. Essentially, it's going to help us to, let's say, when we are going to write some code. So if you go ahead and install it, I already have it installed in my case. Feel free to go ahead and install it. And in order for you to enable React prettier here, it's very simple. Just go ahead to your preferences, and I'm going to show you how to set up that. But for the time being, just go ahead and install it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up all these tools. So it's a good idea to add a separate video for the extensions. But for the time being, pause the video, install all these extensions, and I'm going to explain that them for you in the next video, because I just want to make this video simple. So here we have the app.js file. I want you to go ahead and create a function, an arrow function, okay, and call it app. Okay, this is very basic task that you have to do. Okay, so I'm going to create an arrow function. Let's go ahead and call it app equal to an arrow function like this, and this arrow function should return for us. Okay, in this case, I'm going to just return a simple div, which is HTML tag, and just say app is running or is working or whatsoever. Okay, so we have returned very simple div or HTML tag. And here, since I have imported my app.js right here, I have to export it here, right? So I'm gonna type export default app like this. So we are exported, then we have imported right here. So since I am using JSX, which is HTML and JavaScript together, or writing JavaScript inside HTML, no matter how you understand it, but as long as I am returning some JSX, this is not HTML. Just keep that one in mind. Okay, this is JSX. Okay, so if we open and try to type div, so you can see here before I type div, there says JSX attribute. Okay, so this is not HTML. This is JSX. Okay, so that's why I have to reset it like this. And since I am using JSX, I have to import React. So I'm gonna type import React from the React library like so. Okay, this is how you can import your React. And this file right here, so is being ready, and we have imported inside our index, and here we are rendered to the user. So now we should be able to open the terminal here on the top. Click on terminal, a new terminal. I'm gonna type npm start, and this should give us the result that we want. Let's see, hopefully that we do not have any mistakes. Okay, I already have a React application that is ready or running on this port. I'm gonna run it on a new port. I'm gonna say yes. That will open it here on our screen. So I'm gonna wait for it. Hopefully we do not have any issues, and hopefully, okay, we can see a problem. So we can see, okay, with the problem, it is in the index.js. Okay, my mistake. Here we are, we have to import, or we have to use, we have to import React, because once again, here we are using one of the components that built in React. So that's why we need to import it. So I'm going to import React from React. Once again, we are going to import React in all the files. Okay, so because most likely we are going to use either JSX or any component that built in React. If we switch back, we can see app is working very good. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we have showed you how you can render something to the user using this thing right here, which is this kind of stuff that we have already learned about. The next video we are gonna start working on our dude right here. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in the next one.